Okay, so once we get our package opened, you can see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. Each piece comes labeled with a letter on it. You've got 2 A pieces, 2 B pieces, and 1 C piece. It also comes with a pack of screws and your instructions. Okay, so we're gonna take our A piece and our B piece, and you see on the inside, you're gonna see how the slats on this side are flat, but then on the inside, you're gonna see these ridges. So these indicate the inside of the piece, and then the flat side would indicate the outside. So you're gonna make sure that these line up, and the way they're built, they slide right into each other. Now you have to be aware that there's gonna be 2 sides, so a top and a bottom. The bottom, these bars run flush to the edge, and on the top, you're gonna have a little gap here because that's where your C piece, your top, is gonna sit on top of that right there. And you're gonna see along the side, you're gonna see 3 screw holes, 1, 2, and then that's the 3rd one. And that's where your screws are gonna go into, and that's gonna attach your A piece to your B piece. Okay, we've got 3 of our 4 sides up. This last one's gonna be what holds it pretty much together. We pick it up like this, it slides in, and then we're gonna take our screws and just put the last screws on this side and on this side. Okay, here we are installing the last screw. So just gonna go right in the middle there. Okay, and now our 4 sides are built. With the sides having been built, now you just take your top, and you'll see that the top has an edge on the inside, which got these 2 crossbars, and that's gonna make it sit inside of this box on that ledge. If you remember, we built it so we have a ledge right on top. The crossbars sit on top of that, and you actually don't need a screw for it. It just sits right there. And now you're ready to insert your umbrella right through here with your weight on the bottom to make sure it doesn't fly away on you, and enjoy your summer. And there you have it. There's your finished product, your box right there below. There's 2 chairs and your umbrella sitting in it inside, so you can sit and relax and enjoy your summer.